Good afternoon everybody, it's Kelly Driver here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a different type of painting after getting inspiration from a blue thistle, she's called, on Instagram, and I want to try and do a painting like she does. But I'm not going to, I think she spins her work, I'm not going to do that. But I want to put like blooms on there. So I'm thinking 4 or 5 puddles is my plan, and then I'm going to blow it out. So I'm going to do a titanium white base, then I'm going to do a bloom with these 3 colours, which is phthalo blue, turquoise blue and pearl white. Then I'm going to do another bloom with permanent red violet and ultramarine violet. What on earth is it called? Permanent blue violet. Oh, red, that's red violet. And then this is a Pabeo iridescent red blue. And then I'm going to do another one, another bloom with yellow gold, and my new favourite colour at the moment, permanent red violet light. So it's a real trial, this piece. We'll just see how we go. I have no idea how it's going to turn out, but I'm excited to have a go. So let's begin. I've got a very big canvas. This is a, I think it's 60 by 60. Enough paint, might be. I'm using all Amsterdam titanium white today, no other colours mixed in there, because I got into a bit of a, got too many cells when I mixed my 2 titanium whites together. So I'm not going to do that today, just sticking with Amsterdam because it's beautiful paint to work with. Okay, let's blow this out. Oh, I've just realised I'm not wearing my apron. Okay, that's better. Yeah, I think I'll work on 5 blooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I don't mind if they hit each other. Which one will I, if I do 5, then I have to use 1 less or something. So I'll put on the phthalo blue. So I'm going to have to keep jumping up on my stool today. I love phthalo blue. I just love it so much. And then we'll do, so each bloom is going to be quite simple because I'm only using 3 colours in it. Okay, there's 1. Blue violet. Red violet, whoops, doesn't matter, and red blue. Oh, ooh, look at the ring on there, that's gorgeous. Oh, it's a bubble. Get off my canvas. Whenever I do paint with squeezy bottles, I get bubbles, and I don't see other artists having that problem. I don't know why it happens to me. Okay, so there's clearly been a change of plan as I'm going along here. And that's the way I roll a lot of the time, so bear with me. Looks like that one's going here. because I love my metallics, I'm just going to put some light gold on everything. So I've got to put some paint to make everything flow around each of my puddles. I've got a good feeling about this. I have a very good feeling. Okay, I have paint all over the place. Right, I'm going to blow each one over. Oh wowee, oh wowee, oh my gosh, I just can't believe how stunning this is. It is so beautiful. Oop, don't want to do that. Can't remember where there it is. Oh, wow. Well, this looks nothing like the Blue Thistle lady's paintings. I think her name was Leslie, but I don't care. I'm so happy with this. So it just shows I use inspiration and I've come up with my own, completely my own work here, which is the best way for it to be, really, isn't it? So I think I'll blow a few little bits out with my mouth and then I'm going to leave it alone because it's just so amazing. Oh, look at that purple. Oh, woo! has got all my favourite colours in it. Oh, I just can't get over how gorgeous this is. Oh, oh wow. Okay, that's it. I'm leaving it as is. That is stunning. I'll bring you down for a close-up. Okay, well here we are for a close-up, a zoom around. Thank you very much for watching my video today. So we've got the pink, yellow, gold and gold down here. Then we've got the phthalo blue and turquoise blue and oh, I think we lost the pearl blue. Well, maybe it'll show up. Then we've got, oh man, this one's amazing. We've got the purple, pink, and red. Yeah, the red. I'm forgetting the names of my colours. I'm so overwhelmed. So that's another one the same as down on the left, down there. I do apologise for the ring light. I'm filming this at the end of the day. So we've got some cool cells coming up here, which is different. There's no cells, there's some cells in there, that's nice. Anyway, this is just absolutely stunning. I can't believe how stunning it is. Thank you very much for watching today. I'm Kelly Driver. We have created a spectacular piece of artwork and I look forward to showing it to you when it's dry because the colours are going to come up so stunning when it's dry. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Bye for now.